Okay, so this is your man Michigo here. Today we're going to be solving P0740 code. It's the code for torque converter, right? So what we're going to do is that we are going to drain the oil, and this is where you can refill it from. This bolt, 17 bolt there. Yeah, this one. Yeah, that bolt. It's a 17 bolt. You can fill it from there, or you can fill it from here. You just cut the funnel to be this size, let it fit, then you put it to fill, right? So let me show you where we are going to drain it. Meanwhile, these guys here are the solenoids. We have two on top. I'll show you the other ones under now. Okay, so this is the drain plug for the transmission, and this is the second solenoid here. This is second solenoid. So normally when you get that code, you're supposed to lose this guy with these are 10 bolts. You lose it and you clean the filter. There's a filter inside, but I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do now, I'm flushing the draining the oil. Then I will take the oil and put in a gallon so that I can know the exact amount that was drained out, so that when I'm filling it back in, I will get that same amount. So let me show you the screw for this plug. Okay, so this is the screw for the plug hole. This is magnet to pick up iron bits. I've actually cleaned what was here. I cleaned it out. This is the washer that fits into this. Okay, now this is what I use to loosen it. Put it in here. For those of you that can't get the wrench, you can use that. It's the handle for these sockets here. So this is what I'm going to do, right? I want to take the oil now. I'll pour it into this gallon and check the measurement to know exactly the amount to put back, right? I'm putting this guy here because of the magnet. So when I'm putting the oil in, it's going to pick out some iron filings that came out from the transmission. Then I'm going to put it back into the system and empty it again, so that I can pick out any other excess filing on the solenoids, on the solenoid filters, before I then put in the new oil. So I'm going to pour the old oil in here now. Okay, so that's it there. 1, 2, 3, 4 liters. That's the oil that was drained out of the transmission. So I'm going to fill it with exactly this amount. Then I'm going to seal it back up, and I'll let you guys know. Check the code again. All right. So guys, I use the this hole where you check the transmission oil to fill it back. This is the funnel I used. I just cut the mouth a little bit until it fits into this hole. You see, it fits perfectly. The oil didn't even leak out. That's what I used to fill the transmission oil back. Okay, so after putting in the oil, I actually put in 3.4 liters of oil, and you start the car. You don't move the car, right? You just change the gears, change it so that the oil can go around, and as you can see, the check engine light is gone. I actually checked the code now, and the code is, there is no error code anymore. So P0740 resolved. Yeah, peace out, Michigo.